Hello students, welcome to your chemistry class. So in the last video we discussed about the relative atomic mass, that is your RAM. Okay, so your relative mass it is abbreviated as RAM. Okay, and relative atomic mass is otherwise known as atomic weight. So relative atomic mass means what? It is the number of times one atom of the element is heavier than 1 by 12th times the mass of an atom of carbon 12. Okay, so up to this much we understood yesterday. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about your relative molecular mass. It is otherwise abbreviated as RMM. Okay, so before understanding about the relative molecular mass, we should know what is mass number. So mass number means what? It is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. It is called your mass number. Okay, remember, mass number means the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called the mass number. Then, what is relative molecular mass? So, relative atomic mass means it is about the one atom of a substance or of an element. It is relative molecular mass. So, in the relative molecular mass, we will talk about the molecule. Okay, so what is relative molecular mass? The number of times one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1 by 12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12. Okay, so let's understand with the example. So see, here the atomic weight of your hydrogen given and atomic weight of oxygen also given. So you can see the atomic weight of your hydrogen is 1 mu and the atomic weight of your oxygen is 16 AMU. Okay, then tell me the relative molecular mass of water. That is how we will calculate. So we will put the atomic mass of your hydrogen first, that is 1. So as your subscript to your 2 it is there, then 1 into 2 plus oxygen 1 is your 16. Okay, so we will put like that. Then 2 plus 16 equal to your 18 AMU. Okay, so the relative molecular mass of your water is 18 AMU. Okay, that means what? That is one molecule of water is 18 times heavier than or heavier as 1 by 12th the mass of carbon atom. Do you understand? Okay, relative molecular mass of your water is 18 AMU. That means what? One molecule of water is 18 times as heavy as 1 by 12th the mass of your carbon 12 atom. Okay, then the relative molecular mass of your ammonia is, you have to calculate this. So the atomic mass of your nitrogen and hydrogen already it is given. Then how we have to calculate? So put nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen 1 is your 14. So we will put 14 first. 14, then hydrogen 1. Then we will do 3 into 1. Okay, that is 14 plus 3 is your 17 AMU. Okay, so this is your relative molecular mass of your ammonia. Okay, then you have to calculate. Okay, now see another example, that is we will calculate the molecular mass of your NH4 whole twice SO4. Okay, so first we will put, see, NH4 whole twice means this 2 is for nitrogen and both hydrogen also. Okay, so 14 nitrogen 1 is 14, so 14 into 2 plus 4 into 2, hydrogen 1, okay, 4 into 2. Hydrogen 4 atoms there, no, that's why 4 into 2, and the whole twice it is there, that's why into 2, plus sulfur 1, how much? Sulfur 1 is your 32, okay, then plus oxygen is a 16, but here 4 is there the subscript, so 4 into 16, how much it will come? 14 into 2, that is your 28, plus 4 to the 8, then 32 plus 64. If you will calculate all this, then it will come 132 AMU. Okay, so the relative molecular mass of this compound is your 130 AMU. Okay, then so this is the formula for your relative molecular mass. Okay, so relative molecular mass equal to mass of one molecule of the substance divided by 1/12 into mass of one atom of carbon. Okay, then your homework is you calculate the molecular mass of the following compounds. Okay, students, you have to calculate the relative molecular mass of these 8 compounds. Okay, so this much for today's class. The next video, almost we will complete one chapter in the next video. Okay, thank you.